Today we're diving into the AQARA U300 smart lock, one of the most feature-packed and versatile smart locks on the market. This lock combines security, convenience, modern technology, durability, style, weatherproofness, if that's even a word, and versatility in a way that's hard to beat. Now you might be wondering, why this lock? Well, the U300 has it all, from Apple Home integration with home keys to Matter and Thread support, multiple entry options, and a user-friendly app, and long battery life. And here's the exciting news. Special discounted pricing starts today, so act fast to take advantage of this lower price offer while it's still available. I'll put the details in the description. First up, let's talk about Apple Home and home key integration. The AQARA U300 works seamlessly with Apple Home. If you have an Apple 2-in-1 Matter controller and border router, you can unlock it by simply tapping your iPhone or your Apple Watch right here. You can also manage and store access directly through the Apple Home app, making it a perfect choice for Apple users who want simplicity and convenience. The U300 supports Matter over Thread, which is designed to make smart home devices compatible across different platforms. When paired with a Thread-enabled Matter hub, like the AQARA M3, you gain the flexibility to integrate the lock with other ecosystems, such as Google Home, Alexa, IFTTT, and Samsung SmartThings. So if you're already running a multi-platform setup, the U300 will fit right in. If you want to learn more about the horsepower behind the M3 hub, click here to see all the magical things that thing can do. One standout feature is the U300's wide array of unlocking options. You can unlock it using your fingerprint with a fast fingerprint scanner built right in that'll store up to 50 fingerprints inside. Let me show you how fast this thing can read your fingerprint and unlock your door.
Hey.
Now that's fast. You can also use a PIN code. I use 8675309. Now, if you got that song stuck in your head, comment below. You can also unlock it using your iPhone or Apple Watch, or AQARA's proprietary NFC card, which is sold separately. There's even a physical keyhole here as an emergency backup. If the batteries inside here die, or the batteries in your phone dies as well at the same time, you have an emergency backups option that'll never fail. You can always unlock this the old school way. The AQARA U300 has customizable modes. Passage mode keeps the door unlocked, so when you're expecting guests or bringing in groceries, there's no need to keep unlocking. You can activate passage mode from the inside by pressing this button right here.
To enable passage mode, verify with user fingerprint, NFC, or password. Passage mode enabled.
Now, with passage mode enabled, you can unlock the door endlessly without ever having to unlock it in any way. To disable passage mode, you do the same. You just press this button.
Passage mode disabled.
And there's no need to verify with a fingerprint. Auto lock mode adds a layer of security by ensuring the door automatically locks after every entry. And with do not disturb mode, you can silence the lock sounds during certain hours, perfect for late night arrivals without having to wake others. The U300 is built for durability. Constructed from robust zinc alloy and IPX4 rated for water resistance, it can handle temperatures from -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 131 degrees, making it perfect for extreme weather. And when it comes to privacy, AQARA has a strong focus on security. Sensitive data like your fingerprints are stored locally right on the device itself and protected with full AES encryption. This means it doesn't need to go to the cloud, keeping your security under your control. Powered by 4 AA batteries, the U300 offers as much as 10 months of battery life thanks to AQARA's energy-efficient design. This helps minimize the need for battery replacement, saving you time and hassle. And if the batteries do run out, the lock includes 2 USB ports, one here and one here, so you can power the lock to get yourself in without having to disassemble the lock in any way. With the U300, managing guest access is a breeze. You can create customizable PIN codes for guests that can automatically expire after a set period of time. This is perfect for Airbnb hosts, or if you need to provide temporary access to friends, family, or maybe a service provider. Plus, the lock can manage multiple users, allowing you to assign different access levels and track who entered and when. Ideal for larger households or home offices. When you pair the U300 with an AQARA M3 hub, you unlock even more features, like remote unlocking, remote PIN management, and integration with AQARA devices become available. This allows for advanced automations like locking the door automatically when the lights are turned off at night, or arming the alarm system when you leave for the day. And because it works with the wider AQARA ecosystem, you can integrate the U300 with AQARA sensors, lights, and other devices for a fully customizable and secure smart home experience. AQARA is committed to keeping the U300 updated with the latest security patches and features. Firmware updates are available through the AQARA app, so you're always protected and can enjoy new functionality as they roll out. This is another reason why pairing with the M3 hub and using the AQARA app can be a big advantage. If you're using the AQARA G4 doorbell camera, the U300 can also be unlocked via facial recognition. Simply set up the G4 to recognize faces and you can automate entry for trusted users. For an in-depth review of the G4, subscribe to the channel now and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out when I release this video very soon. Installation is super easy. Anyone can do this. However, there are a couple of bolts and pieces that might be a bit confusing. You might ask yourself, what is this piece for? That's why I have a detailed installation video for you right here. Now, if you don't plan to install a U300, this video might not be for you. But if you do plan to set up one of these locks, it'll answer all of those questions and make the installation process even easier. Remember, special discounted pricing starts today, so act fast while it's still available. This is a great chance to add this advanced lock to your home with extra savings. If you want to check out my in-depth video on the AQARA M3 hub, you'll find that right here. And if you want to see that detailed installation video I was talking about earlier, you'll find that right here. Now, if you haven't done so already, can I ask you to help this channel grow by clicking here to subscribe now? Thanks for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.